Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin and 40 other altcoins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. This is the Bitcoin US dollar 1 hour Gemini chart. And here you can see Bitcoin break this symmetrical triangle and I was set my target at 55,000, and here you can see Bitcoin how perfectly hit my target. Now main question is that what is the next target for me and what is the Bitcoin next price I am expecting right now. And here you can see Bitcoin break this descending channel towards the upside, and according to the technical analysis, let me please show you the target of this descending channel was that zone. Let me please show you. 59,800 was the target of this descending channel, and now Bitcoin is currently at $57,382. Let me please zoom this and let me please tell you my next target according to the technical analysis. Please friend, keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. And here you can see. Bitcoin is currently in this rising channel, and hope perfectly Bitcoin manage this. And let me please tell you my next target according to the pattern right now. Here you can see this is the upper trend line, this is the down trend line, and price is currently at 57,000. Sorry for that, $57,350. Let me please arrange this chart. I will definitely tell you my next target. Let me please tell you. And this is the main resistance level. Bitcoin was rejected from that zone, and the price was on that zone, $58,125. And after that, Bitcoin goes back, pull back to this level. Let me please draw this level too. Bitcoin is in this level, in this horizontal channel, and Bitcoin is sideways right now. And let me please tell you my first target for the Bitcoin right now. $62,200 is my next target for the Bitcoin. When Bitcoin break this horizontal resistance and close a day candle above this, then my next target will be this 62,275 is my next target for the Bitcoin right now. Currently Bitcoin is in this horizontal channel and moving sideways, but I am very sure that Bitcoin is ready to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $58,120, and then definitely Bitcoin is going to hit this level. And let me please show you. This is our first target, and maybe price goes to touch this zone. This is our second target, $63,150. You can say this is the height of this upside trend line, and maybe Bitcoin down to this zone, and maybe Bitcoin down to this zone and touch this level, 56,400 again, and then Bitcoin move towards upside and break this, and definitely it have to hit these levels, these targets. These are my targets currently in the 1 hour Gemini chart, Bitcoin US dollar pair. And let me please show you the Binance chart. Sorry for that. Bitcoin is currently breaking this upside resistance and upside trend line, and it is currently at $57,558. Let me please tell you my next target right now. Sorry for that. I think this is very realistic target, and let me please show you 60,000 according to the Binance chart, 1 hour Binance chart. Once Bitcoin break this horizontal resistance, which is at $58,190, and close hourly candles, close 2 or 3 4 hourly candles above this zone, then definitely it have to hit this 60,000 very soon. And let me please tell you my next target for the Bitcoin right now according to the technical analysis and chart, according to this pattern. According to this pattern, our second target will be this zone, 61,200. 60,000 is our first target in Binance chart and Binance USDT chart, and our second target is 61,200 in Binance chart. And once it break this, then definitely it have to move towards upside. And let me please tell you my third target. $63,200 is our third target. 60,000, 61,000 and 63,200 are our targets for the Bitcoin in Binance 1 hour Binance chart and in Bitcoin USDT pair in Binance chart 1 hour. Sorry for that. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is currently at $56,800 and it is now turning as a support for the Bitcoin. This is very good, and definitely Bitcoin has to break this all-time high and upside resistance and should have to hit these targets. These are the targets. Let me please show you my next chart, very beautiful Ethereum chart. Let me please arrange this chart and let me please hide this. Ethereum was rejected from that zone, and that was the zone of $1,880. And after that, Ethereum is in this descending channel, or you can say falling channel, and now it is at 1,700 and the price is $1,785. Now it is going to break this upside resistance level, which is at $1,785. And let me please tell you my immediate short-term target for the Ethereum right now. This is my first target for the Ethereum right now, 1850, or you can say 1845. 1845 to 1850 is my next target. And according to the technical thing, when a technical pattern, this when Ethereum break this upside trend line, and after that, let me please tell you what is going to happen. Once Ethereum break this upside resistance, then let me please tell you my next target. Then our next target should be this zone, and it should have to hit 1916. Our first target is 1850. Our second target of Ethereum is 1916. And if Ethereum lose this zone then maybe it will go down to hit this zone again, and after that it will go up. Currently 1720 is the major support for the Ethereum right now, and after that here you can see this is the downtrend line. It is also support for the Ethereum right now, 1720 and 1700. You can say 1700 and 1720. These are very good support zone for the Ethereum right now, and maybe if Ethereum goes down to hit these zone, then definitely it should have to go up, and after that it should have to hit these targets. These are the targets right now for the Ethereum. Let me please show you my next chart, which is let me do this. Wi-Fi USDT. Wi-Fi was rejected at 14,600 price levels, and after that you can say it is in this falling channel, or you can say descending channel, and now currently is at 35,921. Let me please tell you my next target. I think it should have to hit this zone and this zone, and should have to break this horizontal resistance, which is at 37,000. Then our next target, let me please tell you. Once it break this, then our next target will be this zone, $39,180. Sorry for that. This is our target, and according to the pattern, it should have to move towards upside and hit this zone again. Once it break this, according to the pattern, it should have to hit the height of this descending channel, and it should have to hit 42,100 or $42,000 price level, and this is second target. And let me please remove this. Our second target is the that zone, and it is the zone of where this channel begins, $41,600. These are two targets currently for the Wi-Fi right now for me. Let me please show you my next chart, which is ADA USDT Cardano. Let me please arrange this chart. Cardano is currently struggling to break this zone, which is $1.08, and once Cardano break this zone, then our first target, let me please show you, then our first target will be this zone. $1.18 is our next target for the Cardano right now, and this is the major trend line. This is the major upside trend line for the Cardano. Once Cardano ADA break this upside trend line, then definitely it will go up, and maybe it will hit next all-time high again. And here you can see this is the main trend line, upside trend line of the Cardano. Our first target for the Cardano is $1.18, and let me please show you my next target. Once Cardano break this zone, then our next target will be this zone, 1.21. Please note down these targets, 1.18 and 1.21. These are two targets for the Cardano right now. My next chart is Tron, TRX. This is the chart of Binance Tron USDT, and it is now ready to break this W pattern right now. You can easily see this is a W pattern, a clear W pattern, and this is the neckline, and it is going to break this neckline of this W. And let me please show you the next target for the this is the next target for the Tron right now, 0.052. And once Tron break this upside trend line of this falling channel or descending channel, you can say, then let me please show you my next target. Then our next target will be this zone, and price should have to hit this zone according to the pattern, 0.55. These are two targets, 0.0522 and 0.055. These are two targets for the Tron right now. And if Tron fails to break this, maybe Tron will move sideways like this. Sorry for that. Maybe Tron moves sideways like this, and after that it will go up. But these are the targets for the Tron. my next targets. My next coin is Polkadot, and this is the Polkadot USDT 1 hour chart of Poloniex. And here you can see it was in this falling wedge, and how beautifully Polkadot break this falling wedge towards upside. Here you can see, and now our first target for the Polkadot is that zone. First target for the Polkadot is this resistance zone, and let me please label on this. And our second target for the Polkadot is this zone, and our last target for the Polkadot is the beginning of this falling wedge, and it is 39.64. These are the targets for the Polkadot right now. I think Polkadot rally is started now, and definitely it have to hit 38.6 and 39.07 and 39.64. These are the targets for the Polkadot right now. Let me please show you my next chart is Chainlink. Chainlink rejected from that zone, and it was $32 price level, and after that it was in this descending channel, and now it hit this downtrend line, and now price goes up, and it is at $28.6. Let me please tell you my next target. My first target, for the Chainlink is that zone, 29.6. Once Chainlink break this zone and break upside trend line and break this channel, then let me please tell you my next target. This is my first initial target, immediate short-term target, 29.64. And after that it should hit this zone, 29.6, $30.5 and $31. These are three levels for the Chainlink right now. And if Chainlink goes up and rejected from that zone, then maybe it will go to hit this again, and then it will go up. But these are the targets, because this is a bullish pattern, and price will definitely go up after hitting this zone. Let me please show you my next chart. My next chart is very important, Stellar chart, and Stellar is currently was in this falling wedge, and how beautifully it is going to break this. Here you can see price is at 0.3911, and let me please show you my first target for this Stellar right now. Our first target will be this zone, which is $0.40, or you can say $0.41 is our first target for this Stellar. And second target, according to the pattern, should be this zone, and which is the starting point of this falling wedge, and it should have to hit $43 or $42.8. These are the targets, 43.3, $0.43 and 0.40, and you can say these are the targets, 0.41, 0.42 and 0.43. These are the targets for the Stellar right now. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Uni USDT. Uni is breaking this W-type pattern and breaking this upside resistance, and it is at $32.6. Let me please tell you my first target. Sorry for that. $35.7. You can say this is our next target for the Uni right now, 35.7. But for this, Uni should have to break this upside resistance, which is at $34.96. You can say 34.9 is our first target, and 35.8 is our next target. And if unfortunately Uni break this towards the downside, then definitely it will going to hit this zone, and after that price will go up. You have to be very careful and you have to focus on this level, which is $32.5. Once it close 4 overly 2 or 3 candles above $32.6, then definitely it is going to hit this. Otherwise maybe it will go down to hit this, and then after it will hit these targets. My next coin is Kusama. Kusama was rejected from $344, and after that Kusama hit this zone $300, and now it is pulling back, and after that it is at $316. And let me please tell you my next target for the Kusama right now. Our first target according to the pattern should be this, and Kusama should have to hit $339. This is our first target for the Kusama, and our second target will be this zone, and after that 344. These are two targets for the Kusama right now for me. And let me please show you my next chart. And if Kusama fails to break this zone, then in that case it will go down to this $300. Please remember this. Kusama should have to close $322 price level with daily closing, or 4 over 3 or 4 candles above $322 level. Then definitely it have to hit 339 and 344. Otherwise maybe price will move sideways, or it will go down to 300. Please remember this. My next coin is Wet VChain. VChain was rejected from 0.072 and it is now pulling back, and after that it is at 0.067. And what is our next target? Let me please show you. Our next target will be this zone. 0.071 is our first target, you can say, and our second target will be this zone, 0.072. These are two targets for the VChain right now. If VChain break its new all-time high, then definitely it will go up. Otherwise these are two targets, or maybe it will go down to hit this zone. But currently it is I think it is bullish, and definitely it have to hit these zones and these targets very soon. And EMA ribbon is also spotting for the spotting to VChain, and that is why I think that it should have to hit these targets very soon. And let me please show you my next chart. Litecoin USDT, and it is the chart of Binance Tether US, and it is in this ascending broadening channel and break this horizontal resistance which was at $211, and currently it is at $218. And one thing you can see this, it is like a double top. Here you can see this is double top. Maybe price goes down to hit this zone, $211, then definitely it have to hit this zone, and it should have to hit $233. This is the, I think this is the scenario. Litecoin should have to follow this. Once Litecoin break this upside resistance and upside trend line, then our next target will be this according to the pattern. Sorry for that. Then our next target will be, and I am very sure this is the year of Litecoin. Litecoin should have to hit $1,000 price level very soon. And friends, if you want to join Binance Exchange, Bybit Exchange or Hotbit for the small gems, then you should have to go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of Binance Exchange, where you can get the link of Hotbit Exchange, and where you can get the link of Bybit Exchange. You can open your accounts, register your accounts with these links, And let me please show you my next chart, Litecoin. And according to the pattern, Litecoin should have to hit, maybe it will go down to $211, and after that it will hit 230 is our first target, 233 is our second target, and 261 is our third target for the Litecoin right now. My next chart is very important, Binance coin. Binance was in this falling wedge, and how beautifully BNB break this towards upside, and our first target will be this zone. 285 is our first target, 295 is our second target. Let me please show you. This is our first target according to the technical things. Let me please do this. According to this technical pattern, our first target should be this 287, and our second target should be $295, and our third target will be this zone. At the beginning of this falling wedge is our third target, 315. These are three targets for the Binance coin BNB. Maybe it will hit these targets, and maybe it will go down to again retest this zone at $258, and after that it will go up, but it should have to hit these targets. My next coin is very beautifully Aave. Aave was in this falling wedge, and now it is trying to break upper trend line of this falling wedge, which is at $375. Once it break this horizontal upside trend line, then our first target will be this. According to the pattern, our first target will be this zone. $412 is our first target, and our second target will be this zone, which is the starting point of this falling wedge, and it is 460. These are two targets. You can say these are the targets. But if unfortunately it fails to break this, then maybe sideways action, and maybe it will go down to 339, and after that it will go up. These are this is the current scenario in Aave right now. Maker USDT is our next coin, and Maker was rejected from this zone, $2,348, and now is in this falling channel or in descending channel, you can say. Once it break this descending channel towards upside, then our first target, let me please tell you, if Maker close over 4 hourly 2 or 3 candles above $2,150, this will be the indication that this pattern is breakout, and Maker break this pattern, and now in that case our first target will be 2,321, and our second target in that case will be this. But if Maker fails to break this, then maybe it will go down to hit this zone and 2034, and after that it will go up. My next coin is EGLD USDT. EGLD was rejected from that zone, and it was $164 price, and it is now in this falling channel or descending channel, you can say. First target according to the pattern should be this zone. Once it break this towards upside and close overly candles above this zone, which is $141, then after that our target will be 155 is our first target, and 164 is our second target, the beginning point of this falling wedge or falling channel, descending channel, and let me please, and maybe if it fails to break this, then it will go down to hit this, and once it hit this zone 134, this will be the sign that definitely it is going to hit this. Okay. My next coin is Dogecoin. Doge was rejected from $0.063, and now it is currently at $0.0558, and it break this downtrend. It break this falling triangle, and know what is the next target for the doggy right now for me, and it break this upside trend line, and according to the pattern our target should be this zone. For the doggy coin, our first target is $0.059 and our second target will be this zone, which is 0.062. These are two targets for the doggy right now, and if volume does not support this, maybe we may see some sideways action like this. After that price will go up, but this is very strong support zone for the doggy right now. 0.054, the major support zone for the doggy coin right now. My next coin is Ripple. Ripple is struggling to break this channel, descending channel towards upside, and once it breaks this descending channel towards upside, then our first target will be this zone 0.46 sorry, and then our second target will be 0.48. These are two targets. First target is 0.46 and second target is 0.48. These are targets, and if it rejected from this zone, then it will go down to retest this zone, which is 0.43, and after that it will go up. My next chart is Cake USDT, Pancake. Cake was rejected from $14.62, and it goes down to $11.33 is the current price right now for the cake. Once it break this upside trend line, then it should have to move towards upside because it is in this falling wedge, and according to the pattern, our first target will be this, like this. Once it break this towards upside, our first target will be $13.10 is our first target, and let me please show you my next target. Then our second target will be this 13.69. These are two targets for the cake right now, and third target is the beginning point of this 14.60 you can say, or $14.7. Maybe it will go down to retest this zone again, and after that it will pull back. You have to to be focused on this. Once it close 4 hourly candles above $11.70, this will be the indication that it is ready to hit these targets. Otherwise, some sideways action, or maybe price will hit $10.5. My next chart is Lit USDT. Lit was rejected from that zone, which is $10.28, and after that it goes down to $7.68, $7.72, and after that we see a pullback from that zone, and now it is currently going to retest this zone, which is at $8.56, and I think once it break this upside trend line, which is currently at $8.70, and close 4 hourly candles above this zone, then definitely, let me please, in that case our first target will be this, and second target will be the beginning of this descending channel, and which is $10.30. Maybe price goes down to again retest this zone, and maybe price will go down to, we have to be we have to be focused on this zone. Once it close 4 hourly candles above $8.80 or $8.77, this will be the good indication that maybe price is going to hit 9.96 and 10.35. Otherwise, some sideways action, or maybe in that case, otherwise maybe price will go down to move like this, and then like this. My next chart is 1 inch USDT. This is the Binance chart. One inch was rejected from that zone and price was $4.56, and now it is currently is in descending channel, and price is currently is at $3.90. Once it close over the candles above $4, once it close over the candle above $4, then it will go up, otherwise it will move sideways like this. And let me please tell you, in that case our first target, once it close 4 hourly candle above $4, in that case our first target will be according to the pattern, our first target will be 4.32, and our second target will be the beginning of this descending channel and should be this 4.5. These are the targets. If break this upside trend line and close 4 hourly candles above for $4 for $4 or $4.1 price, then it should go up, otherwise it will go down to hit this again. My next coin is SXP. It was rejected from this zone $3.80, and now it is in this falling wedge. And let me please tell you my next target for this. Once it closed 4 hourly candle above this zone $3.16, this will be the indication that it will go to hit our next target, otherwise price will go down. Once it close 4 hourly candles above $3.20, this will be the indication that it is going to hit $3.63 or maybe $3.80. Otherwise, it will go down to retest this zone and 2.80, and after that maybe it will go up. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Matic USDT. Matic is in this bull run, and Matic is ready to blast. I think ready to hit these targets and ready to hit new all-time high. And let me please show you my next target. My first target for the Matic right now is $0.50, and after that my second target is for the Matic right now $0.61. These are two targets, $0.61 and $0.50. These are two targets for the Matic. Maybe it will go down to hit retest again this support zone, which is at $0.40, and after that it will go up. It is currently at 0.437, and these are the targets. My next chart is SNX USDT. SNX was rejected from that zone $23.5, and now it is in this falling wedge or in this falling channel. And our first target, once it break this and close overly candle above this resistance and upside trend line, and close overly candles or 4 hourly candles above $20.10, then it will go up, otherwise it will move sideways. Actually it is a bullish pattern, and after that after breakout price will go up, and this is the first target and this is the second target, the beginning of this. These are the targets, and but for this it should have to break this zone too. These are three targets, but for these three targets it should have to close 4 hourly candles above $20.10, otherwise price will go down. My next chart is REEF. REEF is in massive upside trend, and it is rejected from this zone, which is $0.0516. Maybe price it is in this rising channel. Maybe price will go down to hit this zone. Let me please tell you. Maybe price will go down to retest this zone, and maybe price will go down to hit this. Once it break upside resistance, which is currently is at 0.0533, then definitely it will go up. In that case our target will be, let me please show you. In that case our next target will be this zone, 0.061. If it break towards downside and if it rejected from this zone and break this downtrend line, then definitely it should have to hit 0.040 or 0.041. Otherwise, if it break this upside trend line and close hourly candles above this zone, which is 0.053, then definitely it should have to hit 0.061. These are the targets. My next chart is BitTorrent, BTT, very good token, and I think this token has huge potential, and I think this token can create history. And let me please do technical analysis. It is at 0.0014 and price is going up. The main resistance for this token is currently at 0.01436. Once it break this zone and close hourly candles above this zone, then in that case our next target will be according to this zone. In that case our next target, first target is $0.015. This is our first target and this is our second target. In that case these are two targets, but BTT should have to close 4 hourly candles above $0.00145. Otherwise it will move sideways. My next chart is Algorand. Algorand was rejected from this zone $1.23 and after that it goes down to 0.01. Price goes down to 0.01 and now it is at $1.08 and trying to hold this support zone. Our first target will be this zone. Our second target for this for the Algorand is this. These are two targets for the Algorand right now. My next chart is TWT USDT. TWT was rejected from this zone $0.61 and after that it is in this falling channel and how beautifully it pulled back from that zone and it is struggling to break this horizontal upside resistance, which is at $0.53. Once it closes 4 hourly candles above this zone, then definitely it will go up. Otherwise it will go to sideways, it will move sideways. Otherwise once it break this and close 4 hourly candle above this zone, then our next target should be this. This is our first target, this is our second target, this is our, sorry for that, this is our second target and this is our third target, sorry for that. These are the targets, but to achieve these targets TWT should have to break $0.53 price level with 4 hourly candle closing. After that it will go to hit these levels, otherwise it will move sideways. My next chart is Wink. Wink was in this massive downtrend and how beautifully Wink break this upside trend line and it is ready to blast. I think the price will definitely go up. And let me please show you first target for the Wink right now. Wink first target is 0.002393. First target for the Wink right now. And second target for the Wink should be this zone. These are two targets for the Wink right now. My next chart is UTK USDT. UTK is ready to break this upside resistance which is at $0.548, and once it broke this, our next target will be according to the pattern. These are the targets and this is the target. Upside trend line is also a target. These are two targets, and let me please tell you my third target. Exactly 0.64. These are two targets, 0.59 and 0.64 according to the pattern. But it should have to break $0.55 with 4 over the candle closing. Then in that case it will go up, and I think it will break this and definitely going to hit my targets. Let me please show you my next chart, which is 1 USDT. 1 Harmony. Harmony was rejected from $0.067 and now it is at 0.063. Once it breaks this upside resistance, which is at 0.067, our next target will be this zone. $0.008 you can say is our next target, or you can say 0.079. This is the target. If it break this upside trend, if Harmony break 4 over upside resistance and close 4 hourly candle above this zone, and then definitely it will go to hit this target, otherwise maybe some sideways action. My next coin is CRV USD. CRV hope beautifully break this upside trend line, and now it is going to hit this zone, and first target is $2.22 and second target should be, let me please tell you, CRV is ready to move towards the upside, and second target should be this zone, and third target of the CRV should be this. These are three targets for the CRV right now. My next coin is very important coin, Hedera HBAR, and Hedera was rejected from $0.28 and now it is at $0.27, and how beautifully it respects this upside trend line. And let me please show you what is the next target. If Hedera HBAR break 4 hour candle above $0.28, and then what is my next target? In that case, our next target should be this zone. $0.32 is our next target for the Hedera right now, and if it break this downside trend line, maybe some sideways action, but I think it will have to hit 0.32 very soon. My next coin is BAKE. BAKE sorry for that. BAKE was rejected from $1.60 and it is now trading at $1.17. For upside movement, BAKE should have to break this zone, and it is $1.26. Once it break this zone, then definitely it will go up. This is the upside trend line. You can say maybe some sideways action, and after that it will break this and will go to upside. In that case, our first target is that zone, 1.26, and then our second target will be, let me please show you, $1.49. These are two targets, but for this we have to wait. Once it break down this this trend line, then it should have to go towards upside. My next coin is AVAX. AVAX was rejected from that zone. The price was $35.5, and after that we see a massive pullback in the price of this coin, and Now it is struggling to break this upside trend line, and once it break this, then our first target will be this zone. In that case, our first target will be $31.6. Sorry for that. This is our first target, but for this, it should have to close 4 hourly candle above $28.8. Then definitely it is going to hit 31.64 and maybe 33.5. These are two targets. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Cosmos. Cosmos was rejected at $21.3, and now it is breaking this falling wedge. And let me please tell you my next target for the Cosmos right now. Our next target for the Cosmos is $20.6, and second target should be this 21.31. These are two targets. My next coin is Koti, very important coin. Koti was rejected from that zone $0.48, and after that Koti was in this falling wedge, and how beautifully Koti break this falling wedge towards upside, and now it is going to retest this zone. Let me please show you. Now it is going to retest this zone, and after that price will go up, and in that case our first target will be this zone. Let me please show you. In that case, our first target is that zone 0.42, and our second target in that case is that zone, the beginning of this falling wedge, 0.48. These are two targets, 0.42 and 0.48 for the Koti right now for me. My next coin is Neem. Neem was rejected from that zone $0.85, and after that we see a massive pull back and massive price down, and it is currently at $0.38. What is the next target for me? I think this is the best buying zone. We should have to buy. If you have to buy this, then do it at your own risk, because I will not responsible any of your losses, because this video is just for informational and technical knowledge, and only purpose to make this video is to entertain you and to give you my knowledge, technical knowledge, and I will not responsible any kind of your loss, because you have to do your own research before investing in any coin or before trading. You have to do your own research. I think it is at $0.38, and our first target will be this zone. Let me please tell you. This is very good time to buy this token right now. Sorry for that. This is not the case. First target is 0.41. Second target is 0.51. These are two targets for the Neem right now, 0.41 and 0.51 or 0.52. These are the targets. I think price of this coin definitely should have to move towards upside and will hit these targets. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Ocean. Ocean was rejected from this zone $1.68, and after that it is at $1.36, and our first target for the Ocean is this upside trend line. 1.45 is our first target. Once it break and $1.45 and close 4 hourly 2 or 3 candles above $1.45, in that case our next target will be this zone. $1.45 and then 1.52 and then 1.73. These are the target for the Ocean, but for this it should have to hit this zone and after that it should have to break this, otherwise it will go down to move like this. Let me please show you my next chart, which is ENJ. ENJ was rejected from this zone, $2.22, and it creates a double top. You can say it creates a double top. First top, yes, this is second top. Maybe price will go down to $1.92, and after that price will go up. In that case, our first target is 1.92. In that case, 1.92 or 1.93. After that it will go up, I think so, and because it creates it creates double top, and if it move towards upside and break this horizontal resistance and create new all-time high at $2.23, in that case our target should be this. In that case, our target should be this, $2.48. But I think maybe it will go down to hit this, and after that it will go to hit this zone. My next chart is Sky USD. Sky was in this falling channel or descending channel, so you can say, and how beautifully it break this, and it is at $2.12. Our first target for the Sky is that zone, $2.75 for the Sky, and our second target will be, let me please show you, $2.25, $2.3, and last target is that zone, which is $2.33. These are three targets for the Sky right now. My last chart is White USDT, and White was rejected from $0.19, and after that it is bounced back from $0.10, and now it is currently at $0.11. Our first target will be this zone, $0.15, $0.156, our first target, and if it break this zone, then our second target will be this, $0.18. These are two targets, and last target for this zone is $0.195. These are three targets for the White right now. Thanks for the watching, friends. Please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button for this valuable effort, I think. And if you want to do any technical analysis from me, then please comment the coin name in this video's description. Then definitely I will do technical analysis of that coin in my next video. And please thumbs up the like button. Please join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video's description, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for the watching, friends. Keep supporting me. Take care.